In this episode, a Virgin review, we are going to check out 3 best cheapest drone for beginners and expert. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know price, more information and buy one, please check out the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 3. Power Predator U842. The drone comes with high-definition Wi-Fi reel transmission for incredible images. Now you are in total control and take photos and video you like with the drone. It captures it all 720-pixel HD camera, real-time sharing to the social network so that friends can feel pleasure. The drone comes with 720-pixel HD camera, record wonderful moments, let drone be your eyes, record the wonderful moments live. With sky perspective, view more beautiful image, restore true color. Shocking panoramic view when travel, party, or sports. Thanks to the headless mode, control of this drone is easy, and you do not need to worry about the direction of the drone when flying it. The equipped with 2 large capacity batteries, which can last up to 18 minutes on a full charge. Designed for beginners or kids, even the novice can easy to master. Number 2. Holystone HS200 FPV-RC Drone. 720-pixel HD real-time video camera enable you to take aerial videos and photos with your iPhone or Android phone device. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function allow you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hover at its current height. Easy for you to shoot quality images or videos. Control the drone with a smartphone app to activate multiple functions such as gravity sensor mode, which allows the user to control the flight by holding and moving the smartphone accordingly. Orientation of the drone in relation to the pilot. Great function when the drone is out of sight. 2.4G technology makes it possible for several models being played at the same time without interference. 6-axis gyro stability. The multi-axis gyro offers extra stability for easy handling and 360-degree flips. The drone is perfect for anyone. Finally, number 1. Holystone HS160. Foldable and flexible blades make the drone small and portable. Also provides a better and safer flight experience. The drone equipped with 720-pixel HD camera to take aerial photos and videos. Images and videos will be stored in both the app and the mobile album system. Operate your drone through an app after connecting the Wi-Fi to your phone, offering you real-time image transmission, easy to shoot and read, fun to share. There are 2 powerful 3.7-volt, 500 mAh modular batteries, including one bonus, which can support longer flight time for you and your family. One key starter landing allows players of any level to fly the drone easily with perfect control and wonderful performance. It's one of the best drone for beginners and expert. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information, price, and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. If you have any query, write it on comment section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.